Page 36, Over the Rainbow. No sharps or flats, 4/4 time. The key is C major. Okay, do the C major scale and the A minor scale. We got it out. Okay. This piece, this arrangement, actually, it comes after an arrangement by this Israel whatever he is. I can't pronounce that name. Not even going to try. But I've heard him doing this, a recording of it. So you can, I know you can find this, search on that and listen to this with the ukulele and the whole bit. This is a really neat arrangement. I like it very much. So let's just cover this because it's Over the Rainbow if you're familiar with the song, but it's got his twist to it. So it might be different than what you're accustomed to. So look out at the beginning in the right hand. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. No, too bad. Then measure 6 down here. 1, 2, 3. And then lift up, come down. I don't see a lot going on there. Let's go over to measure 20. This is 1 and 2, 3, 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, all that's different. So you gotta watch out on this rhythm. Measure 29 is the same thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So just do that. Get the rhythm worked out. Left hand, you got this chord, broken chords. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. We'll do the ukulele later. Right now, just do that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Measure 5 is 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So forth. Put the hands together. 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. Not too bad, I hope. Let's go over to measure 21. You're here. 2. See, you're resting on beat 3, and once you get to measure 23, the left hand's playing on the off beats. It's playing on beats 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. It's a neat effect. So you put the hands together. Then, as far as articulation goes, get to know this, and you can sing the melody connected. In the left hand, now we put in the ukulele. Well, that depends on how do you make a piano sound like a ukulele? Well, you don't actually, but my impression of it is first it's going to be soft because the ukulele is kind of soft, and we're going to play all these notes a little bit disconnected. So it's a very percussive. It's like bump bump with the wrist, real slight motion. Until you get to the quarter note. There's no ukulele there. Now we're back to a piano. Connect. And connect, measure 8 to 9. Connect that, don't separate them. So, hands. Measure 21 is where the fun starts. It's here. Because you're playing, but I'm playing staccato on the left hand. Measure 26 to 7. Connect it. On these eighth notes, I use different fingers. I don't want to use this. I don't like that. So on these, I can do a 3-1 and a 2-1 or a 1-2 or 2-1. I don't care which one. I just use different fingers on those. It's just out of habit. Not everybody does. You can use the same finger if you want, but I find that tricky. I would prefer Any other finger other than the same finger. Well, pick another finger. 2. If you're going to do it with 4, I'd do a 3 there. 3. They're out of habit. Dynamic wise, it's to the melody. Keep this left hand in the background. Whatever you think moderately soft is, left hand's very soft. Then I'll measure 20. You go up just a little bit to moderately loud. The left hand's still very soft. You're staying in that area until the end. You're starting at moderately loud and come down to moderately soft. And then you go back to the beginning where you're moderately soft. So you're just coming down where you're going to be at the beginning as far as loudness goes. Speed, well, it says moderately, but it's the feel of it. But then I'll measure 21. That's about where he does it, somewhere in there, and you just try to make the left hand keep up. So. They show a little pedal there at the end on measure 19. I wouldn't use pedal. I didn't use pedal anywhere else. I'm not using it there, so whatever. If you want to use pedal there, you go right ahead and use pedal there. I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check all the notes and rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's just try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4. Two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4.